The devil makes work for idle hands. It is an English proverb which is used to express the idea that if a person is overcome by inactivity, joblessness, and unemployment, many kinds of evil notions flood his mind. Several sorts of wrong ideas swamp him, and the Satan uses him easily in wrong deeds. He changes his direction. He gives him wrong directions. So today, whatever our youth is doing by the name of Muharram, celebrating that, doing a lot of destructive work, is because they are free, they are idle, permanently or temporarily. I would like to remind myself and them that in reality, in fact, we are not jobless, we are not idle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not create any of us jobless and idle. Rather, He created us with religious obligations to perform 5-time prayers in a day. He has created us with civic duties to think, to plan, to do our utmost to develop our nation and community, to tackle the problems of widows and poor, at least in our own neighboring, in our own village. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us with the duty of our own family. We have to participate in daily domestic chore. We have to accompany our family members in the fields to work with them. So because we have abrogated, evaded all these duties and responsibilities towards our religion, towards our nation and community, towards our family members, we are thinking that we are free and idle. So let's rise to discharge our duties. Let's stand to fulfill our duties. Let's perform 5 times prayer. Let's plan to help our nation and community, to develop them. Let's pledge our family to help them in daily domestic chore. Let's go in the fields and to work with them. If you fulfill all these duties, you will not have enough time to do anything else. जो कुछ हम मुहर्रम के नाम पे कर रहे हैं, इसलिए कि हम अपने आप को फ्री पा रहे हैं, फ्री समझ रहे हैं, लेकिन हकीकत यह है कि अल्लाह तबारक व तआला ने, हमें पैदा करने वाले ने फ्री नहीं पैदा किया है। हमें मजहबी जिम्मेदारियां दी हैं, दीनी फराइज दिए हैं, अपने मुआशरे, अपने मुल्क, अपनी बस्ती के ताल्लुक से जिम्मेदारियां दी हैं, अपने घर के काम हमें दिए हैं। हमने इन सारी जिम्मेदारियों को अपने से अलग कर दिया है, इसलिए हम इन सब खुराफात में लग गए हैं। आइए अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को पहचानिए, 5 वक्त की नमाजें अदा कीजिए, अपने पड़ोस, अपनी बस्ती के लोगों को, अपने मुल्क को तरक्की से माला माल करने की कुछ सोचिए। अपने घर वालों के साथ रहकर उनके रोजाना के कामों में शरीक होइए। अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो उन तमाम बुराइयों से बच जाएंगे जिनमें आज आप फंसे हुए हैं।